The Maytag washer error code F5 indicates a door lock problem. This issue can be caused by several factors, including a door that has not completely shut, an overloaded washer, or a system glitch. To resolve the problem, start by ensuring the door is fully latched to the washer. Verify that the door is closed, and if it still does not lock, check for any clothing items that may be hanging out of the washer and causing an obstruction. It's essential to maintain the maximum weight load limit to prevent overloading the washer's drum, as this can exert pressure on the door and prevent it from fully latching. Refer to the user guide for the recommended weight limit per wash cycle. And when loading the washer, alternate between light and heavy clothes to strike a balance. If the issue persists, try resetting the washer by pausing the wash cycle, turning off the machine, and letting it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before powering it up again. If the error remains, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.